Hey guys, just wanted to show you an update on that pine wood I got to line my cabin. I cut two pieces out. I cut a ceiling board and a wall board out, and I put it through the planer, and just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna turn the camera around and bring it back. Alright, so there's the sample pieces that I cut and put through the planer. This one is the approximately 6 inches wide for the walls, and this one's the one that's approximately 4 inches wide for the ceiling. So they turned out pretty good, pretty smooth. So that's what they look like. I just planed one side. I don't need the other side planed since it's going to be on the back side, but that's the rough cut. So it definitely makes it look a lot nicer with the wood planed. Brings the color out and everything, seems to anyways. So there's the that one there is planed, and the back side of the other one there, so you can tell the difference, what it looks like rough cut versus planed. So anyways, just wanted to show that to you. Alright, just wanted to show you that little update on the pine boards for the cabin. I'm pretty happy with the way the planed pine boards came out. I hope to put the boards in the week through 4th of July. I think I have that whole week off, I hope anyways. Pretty sure I do, so I'd like to get that put in and the insulation put in as well, and I have to build some steps as well up to the loft. I have not done that yet either. Right now I'm just using a step ladder to get up and down, so some steps would be really a whole lot easier than using the step ladder. I have an idea of what I want to use for the steps, or how I want to make the steps, but I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see how that goes as well. If I have time, I'd like to make the steps as well, but we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching.